So this first move is for beginners. You're just holding the ball still, draw your belly button in towards the spine, and then I'm just moving the ball up and down. That'll make it a little bit harder, and you'll really feel that in your core, believe it or not. So this is great for the forefront area of the abs. Squeeze your belly button in, crunch. So this is more intermediate advanced. One leg in, you're working the obliques, the waist, and also front of the ab. So this is for the lower abs, that bulge that we all love to hate. So you're really taking your bottom up as high as you can, drawing your belly button in towards the spine. So all my clients know I love combination moves, much to their disgust, but you're basically crunching in, combining that jackknife with the pike. So really crunching in and then lifting up the bottom. So this is for beginners for the lower abs, knees bent, bringing the ball to touch the mat. So straight leg raises, a little bit harder, working the lower abs, and then going into waist or obliques. So bent knees is for beginners, and then you can straighten the legs if you want to make it a bit harder. Then going into lying crunches, which are for the upper abs. So you're just bringing the knees in close to the chest. And can you believe it? That fly is trying to mess with me while I'm doing my crunches. Look at me. Oh my goodness. Crazy. Go away. So the last move, I'm using a weight. So the heavier the weight is, the harder it is. And this works the full frontal area of the abs. So you're just crunching in, really drawing your belly button in and going back with the weight. Great for the arms and shoulders.